Today we'll prepare a simple salad and make unusual cheese tartlets, or edible cheese baskets, that can be filled with any filling you like. For the salad, we'll chop ham, or any meat you prefer. We need 80 grams of ham. Slice it into rings, then into strips, and finally into small cubes. Transfer it to a prepared bowl. Boil 2 eggs in advance and cut them into cubes as well. Add them to the bowl. Slice 1 fresh cucumber into thin slices. Then into cubes and add it to the eggs. Chop 20 grams of fresh dill for aroma. Take a small piece of leek or 1 red onion. Slice the white part into thin half rings. Separate them slightly and add to the salad. Add 1 tablespoon of sour cream or yogurt. There's no need to add too much, so the salad doesn't become watery. Add half a teaspoon of salt or adjust to taste. Mix all the ingredients well. The salad is ready, and now we'll move on to making the cheese baskets. First, prepare small glasses or cups. Turn them upside down and cover the bottoms with small pieces of plastic wrap. To make the baskets, grate 80 grams of cheese that melts well, using a fine or medium grater. You can experiment with different cheeses to find your favorite. Place a small amount of cheese onto a preheated pan, about 7 to 9 centimeters in diameter, and wait until it melts. This happens very quickly. Remove the pan from the heat. Let the cheese cool slightly, then carefully lift it with your hands or a spatula and place it over the bottom of a glass. The cheese is very flexible at this stage. Gently shape it, creating the desired form and folds. Work quickly, because the cheese sets fast. You can use any glasses, even small shot glasses, if you want mini tartlets. Place the baskets in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes to set completely. Time flies quickly. The baskets have hardened well and come off the glasses easily. Just remove the plastic wrap. If you use more cheese on the pan, the baskets will be thicker and hold their shape better. Now fill them with the salad, making sure the ingredients pair well with the cheese. These original baskets can be eaten together with the salad, which is simple, satisfying and delicious. Subscribe to the channel, like the video and press the bell so you don't miss new recipes. See you next time. Bye bye!